8, so it will be 16x square. 8 to the 16. So similarly this one is 8x plus 1 equal to 0, or look at here, this is 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. Because this multiply with 0, it becomes 0. Okay, between the two fraction, if there is a equal sign, so at that time we will cross multiply. We can consider denominator is 1, then this and this multiply is the same thing, and add 0 is a 0. Okay, now we'll start to break the middle term. This is your 16x square, this is your a, and this is your c. A into c, that is 16 ones are 16. We have to search two numbers that in case of addition should be 8, and the product of that two numbers should be 16. So we are considering here 4 plus 4, because 4 4s are 16 and 4 plus 4 is your 8 plus 1 equal to 0. 16x square minus को 4 into x, that is 4x, plus into minus into plus, that is minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. We are taking common from these two. Look at here, in this 2, 16 is divisible by 4, so we can take 4 as a common, and here is x square, here is x, so we are taking 4x as a common. What is left over here? There is your 16, so 4 4s are 16, 4x minus everything we are taking common. What is left over here? 1. Okay, the same sign we are taking common, minus. So in this 2 is nothing is common, nothing is common. If there is nothing, then we have to take out the 1 as a common. So 4x is as it is, so minus into plus, it will be minus 1 equal to 0. Look at here, these and these are the same thing, so we are taking 1 common, that is your 4x minus 1, and another is also 4x minus 1 equal to 0. These two we are taking this common, and 4x minus 1 we'll put it in the next bracket. Okay, so we know that either 4x minus 1 equal to 0, 4x minus 1 equal to 0, so we have to find out the value of x, or 4x equal to 1. This is negative sign. When it will goes to the right hand side, the sign will change, as you know. Therefore the value of x, we are getting 1 by 4. Similarly, or 4x minus 1 equal to 0, or 4x equal to 1, then x, value of x is here also 1 by 4. These two are the solution of the quadratic equation. I do hope you are clear. So question number 5 last, that is question number 5. It is given in your book in this way: 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. So do the middle term fraction. So this is your a and this is your c. 100 ones are 100, so 10 tens are 100, 10 plus 10 is your 20. So we are doing this same thing, x square minus 10 plus 10 into x plus 1 equal to 0, or 100x square minus 10x minus into plus, that is minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, in this two, look at here, 100 is divisible by 10, and x square is here and x is here, so we are taking 10x as a common. So in the here left 10x minus 1 Similarly, minus sign, take out common, nothing is common, we are taking 1 as a common, so 10x minus 1 plus into minus, that is minus, equal to 0. So these and these are the same, we are taking 1 common, 10x minus 1, and 10x minus 1 we are putting in a next bracket, equal to 0. Okay, so either 10x minus 1 equal to 0 or 10x equal to 1. Here is minus, it goes in the right hand side, the sign will change, that will be plus. Therefore we simply write here, therefore x equal to 1 by 10. Or second one is same, equal to 0 implies 10x equal to 1, therefore x equal to 1 by 10. So question number 4 and 5 we got the value of x is